Hello everyone, this is Linda Borgie from Farmyard, and you, my friends, are just one seed away. Now, this is a flyer, a poster that I've had for many years now. Monsanto makes us sick. It was done by the Organic Consumer Association, and it was a campaign that I was very active on in labeling genetically modified organisms. You know, in 1995, we started using the weed killer Roundup. And today, it is found in breast milk, in the umbilical cord. It is in our bodies. It's in the air. It's in the streams. It's in the rivers. It's in the water. Oh, God. I mean, I watched this happen. And I have to tell you, I am really sick for what we have to look forward to. In the future, we are getting sicker and sicker and sicker. But you know, it's only as of recently that I am able to come to the table with a solution. And I am so thrilled about being able to give you a solution to Roundup. About 4 weeks ago, my friend Sephora in France gave me a call, and she said, Linda, there's something out that will take 74% of the Roundup out of your gut. And that's what Roundup attacks, is our gut. And let's not forget that the gut is our second brain. Well, she had my attention, and I started taking these 4 pills a day, right? For the past 4 weeks now, and I have to tell you, I know that it is working. But prior to taking the pills, I had my urine tested, and at the end of this 6-week cleanse, I will have my urine tested. I am going to post above my head and in the comments where you could go to learn more about this. I am thrilled to come to the table with a solution. Whether or not you're eating organic food, whether or not you live a healthy lifestyle, this is going to take the weed killer out of your belly. Yep. And let's not forget that there was just a $289 million award to a groundskeeper against Monsanto because it gave him non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And if you know of anyone that has non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, they really ought to get in touch with the attorney that represented that groundskeeper. Okay? So there you go, folks. I'm very excited. My knees are like butter now. All the inflammation that I was experiencing is really going away. And all that's in this tiny little pill, it all comes from the earth, and it's all natural. Natural meaning the way that it was given to us, not transformed in any way, shape, or form. So that's all for now, brown cow. I will catch you all on the flip side. And until then, go farm that yard.